Welcome back, Guitar Stars. Today you are going to learn how to play Silent Night on the guitar. And trust me, we're going to wow family this Christmas. Here's what we are going to do today. Step 1, learn how to press the strings down with the perfect fingertips. 2, learn how to pluck the strings with confidence. And 3, play Silent Night from start to finish. My wish for you today is to listen like a true guitar star in the making. And parents, this is where your child really gets to shine.
Learn to play guitar made easy. Simple songs. Easy steps. Let's start, just follow along. Guitar Star Academy.
Okay, Guitar Stars, let's quickly jump in. And first, I'm going to show you how to push the strings down. Thumb goes behind the neck, pointing upwards. And we're going to take our fingertip and we place it on the string, right on the bony part of the fingertip. And we push the string down to this part behind it, which is called the fretboard. And we keep it pushed down, and that's how we then get a really clear sounding note. What I'm going to do is I'm going to challenge you to see if you can get a dint in your finger. So you're going to push the string down till you feel the string touch the fretboard behind, and then hopefully you can see in my finger here that I have a dint. And then you'll know that you're pushing enough into the string to get the note to sound cleanly. Just quickly jumping in here, if you'd love to take a fun 30-day challenge to playing guitar, check out my book and online course, Guitar Star Academy. You'll get 30 daily lessons, and to learn your first 10 songs, there's checklists, practice guides, and new ways of thinking about learning, and a completion certificate at the end. You can grab your copy or enroll into the online course by clicking the link in the description of the video. Okay, so the way I'm plucking the strings is I'm using my thumb. I'm resting my fingers on the front like this, and I'm pushing through the string. So down to the floor like this. Also, what some of the students like to do to help them find the frets is to put little dot stickers on top here. And you can actually write the numbers. And then that will help you to, when you're looking down, to pinpoint like the 5th fret or the 10th fret or the 12th fret. So if you have some of those stickers, that's really going to help you. Remember, you can pause and rewatch the video and just go at your own speed. And the way that we get fast is that we repeat it over and over. So my challenge for you today is to play it at least 3 times. And then what you'll notice from the first time to the third time, it will be a lot faster. So please do your homework. Okay, now I'm going to play the song demonstration for you, and then you can hear how it sounds when it's pieced all together. And this is what you're going to aim for over the next few weeks.
If you loved today's video, consider subscribing to the channel and be first notified when we post new weekly videos just like this.
Celebration time! I'm excited to share some of the proudest moments from our young guitar stars of 2025. Performances are also voted by parents. These amazing kids have been learning guitar, growing with Guitar Star Academy, and the progress has been incredible. So I hope you enjoyed these highlights, and I hope it inspires you to take on a new level in your guitar playing of challenge, happiness, and always, always, always do your homework, and you know that you can become a guitar star. Hi, I'm David, and I help children to play the guitar in a way that builds real confidence, strengthens self-belief, and helps them to really acknowledge and see their potential that's already inside them through music, encouragement, and small daily wins. I guide young learners to feel proud of who they are and excited about what they can become through music. If you want your child to stay motivated, finally get the consistency and progress, and fall in love with the guitar, all the fun, structured beginner guitar lessons are inside Guitar Star Academy. Consider subscribing now and be notified when we post new weekly videos just like this one. If you'd love to learn more about what we do, then you can go and visit davidguitarcoach.co.uk. If you'd love to join me on more guitar adventures this Christmas, we now have a full playlist of the most popular Christmas songs you can learn on the guitar right now. I've provided the link in the description below, so go and click. I just want to acknowledge and say a huge thanks for all your support on the channel this year. Whether you are a young player picking up the guitar for the first time, or a parent cheering on from the sidelines, you have helped Guitar Star Academy shine and keep inspiring new guitar stars every week. It truly means the world to me. From all here at Guitar Star Academy, we are wishing you and your family the warmest, happiest Christmas, filled with love, joy, and plenty of guitar music. That's my time. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.